An economy's ability to achieve sustainable growth and development has been found to be dependent on the rate and magnitude of its domestic savings. The major channel for mobilizing savings is the banking system, which mobilizes financial resources from numerous surplus spending agents for allocation to the deficit spending units. In addition to this intermediation role, banks serve as channels for the implementation of monetary policies as well as important agents in the payment system. Banks, like any other business, carry the risk of bankruptcy with attendant depositor losses capable of undermining public confidence in the banking system, which is where deposit insurance comes in. Deposit insurance is an effective depositor protection initiative that has been implemented in over 100 countries around the world. Deposit insurance is a financial guarantee to depositors, especially the small ones, in the event of an insured institution's inability to meet its obligation to depositors. Deposit insurance is an initiative by government to enhance depositor protection in Nigeria. It forms part of the safety net that works to ensure stability of the nation's financial system. The Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC, an autonomous government agency established by Decree 22 of 1988 and now Act No. 16 of 2006, is entrusted to implement the deposit insurance system in Nigeria. The statutory mandates of the NDIC are deposit guarantee, bank supervision, failure resolution, and liquidation. The ultimate goal of the NDIC, which is aptly captured by its mission statement, is to protect depositors and contribute to the stability of financial system through effective supervision of insured financial institutions, provision of financial and technical assistance to eligible insured institutions, prompt payment of guaranteed sum, and orderly resolution of failed insured institutions. Insured institutions in Nigeria are all universal banks, primary mortgage institutions (PMIs), and microfinance banks (MFBs). For easy identification, watch out for the NDIC stickers at the entrance and banking hall of each branch and head office of the insured institutions. NDIC insurance covers all types of deposits received at an insured institution, such as current account deposits, saving account deposits, time and term deposits, and foreign currency deposits. NDIC insurance covers the balance of each depositor's account up to the insurance limit, including principal and accrued interest, up to the date of the insured institution's closure. However, NDIC insurance does not cover money invested in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, life insurance policies, annuities, or municipal securities, even if these investments were bought from an insured institution. In the same vein, NDIC does not insure federal government treasury bills, bonds, or notes. These are backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government of Nigeria. NDIC insures eligible deposits in universal banks up to 200,000 naira per depositor per insured bank. This new coverage level represents an increase of 300% over the previous coverage level of 50,000 naira per depositor per insured universal bank. For PMIs and microfinance banks, NDIC insures eligible deposits up to 100,000 naira per depositor per insured institution. at 200,000 naira and 100,000 levels of coverage for universal banks and other deposit-taking financial institutions respectively. Almost 90% of depositors in these institutions are fully covered. For depositors of these institutions, deposit insurance is provided automatically and at no cost to you. You don't have to make an application or pay a premium to enjoy deposit insurance protection. With deposit insurance, you can be assured that your deposits in our banks and other deposit-taking financial institutions are safe and protected. In line with its role of promoting financial system stability, NDIC provides incentives for sound risk management among its insured institutions by excluding insider deposits from coverage, close monitoring of insured institutions' operations, and by charging insured universal banks premiums that are based on the level of risk they pose to the NDIC in particular and to the larger financial system in general. In its bid to actualize its vision of becoming one of the leading deposit insurers in the world, the NDIC is a founding and active member of the International Association of Deposit Insurers, IADI. The association aims at promoting knowledge sharing amongst its members in order to enhance the effectiveness of deposit insurance systems around the world. Its membership of the IADI has afforded the NDIC with the opportunity of benchmarking its operations with best practice of deposit insurance in the world. The deposit insurance in Nigeria, no doubt, has been quite prominent as a result of the population of Nigeria as well as the enormity of the challenges faced by the scheme at inception, particularly the level of the stress in the banking system. Since inception, the NDIC has effectively discharged its mandates of depositor protection. Apart from its participation in bank supervision, NDIC had fully paid depositors of 11 of 35 banks closed before 2004, while many other depositors had recovered more than 90% of their trapped deposits in some of the closed banks. In respect of the 13 banks whose licenses were revoked in 2006, private sector depositors were guaranteed 100% under the purchase and assumption P&A transactions, thereby guaranteeing continuity of banking services to these depositors and enhancing their confidence in the financial system. All the above measures have contributed immensely to the stability of the nation's financial system. For more information on NDIC and how deposit insurance works for you, visit our website at www.ndic-ng.com or get a copy of our leaflets from any of the insured financial institutions near you.